Is it time to buy or sell Vertiv Holdings Company stock? In this video, we're delving deep into Vertiv Holdings Company. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly don't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive a complimentary price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 12th of September, 2024, our system has identified Vertiv Holdings Co. as a suitable buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.84. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 23.12% since we first designated Vertiv Holdings Co. as a buy candidate 19 days ago. This amounts to an average return of 1.22% each day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock currently resides in the upper section of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower section of the trend is expected. A breakout above the upper trend line at $111.32 would initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 18.65% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 12.28% to 23.65%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests an anticipated change of 87.52% over the next year, with potential returns varying between 36.02% and 125.35%. This would translate to a price range of $145.30 to $240.72 after a year. Our latest daily update for Vertiv Holdings Company includes the headline, Vertiv Holdings Company stock downgraded to buy candidate. The stock price of Vertiv Holdings Company increased by approximately 0.0843% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024. It rose from $106.73 to $106.82. This marks 5 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if a brief pause occurs in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.81%, ranging from a low of $105.13 to a high of $108.08. The price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days and has increased by 9.68% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume decreased by 2 million shares on the last day, with a total of 5 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $498,740,000. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate a divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $109.27, while the lowest price was $34.60. Currently, the stock price is 2.24%, or $2.45, below the 52-week high of $109.27. which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Vertiv Holdings Company, trading under the symbol VRT, is drawing significant investor interest following a series of expansions in its product lineup. Recently, the company introduced new additions to its liquid cooling solutions, including the Vertiv Cool Phase CDU and the Cool Chip Fluid Network. These innovations are anticipated to enhance the efficiency of artificial intelligence and cloud deployments in North America, positioning Vertiv advantageously amid the rising demand for advanced thermal management systems in data centers. In the most recent trading session, Vertiv shares experienced a positive uptick, closing at $106.73, reflecting an increase of 1.45%. This momentum aligns with a broader trend, as the company has demonstrated strong order growth driven by artificial intelligence initiatives, bolstering its market share in the thermal management sector. Analysts hold an optimistic outlook, with projections indicating the potential for substantial returns, as illustrated by strategies like a bull-put spread that could yield up to 43% by mid-November. The robust demand for Vertiv's technologies, particularly in the artificial intelligence and cloud computing sectors, positions the company for both short-term gains and long-term growth. Investors are likely to interpret these recent developments as a positive signal, potentially driving the stock price higher in the coming weeks and solidifying Vertiv's status as a strong contender in the mid-cap technology sector. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 7th of October, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned VRT a buy rating with a hold action. On the same day, it was also reported that Evercore ISI granted VRT an outperform rating with a hold action. Additionally, on Monday, the 7th of October, 2024, Jefferies again rated VRT with a buy grade and an initialize action. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, Cowen & Company rated VRT with a buy grade and a hold action. Furthermore, on Tuesday, the 3rd of September, 2024, Bank of America Securities assigned VRT a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Vertiv Holdings Co stock a general neutral rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Vertiv Holdings Company. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. Vertiv Holdings Company's stock is receiving buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast for the stock. There is also a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be expected at the levels of $102.98 and $87.89. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, August 7th, 2024, and since then, the stock has increased by 58.91%. Further increases are anticipated until a new peak pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has been noted from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices climbed, creating a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggested a buy signal 44 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages yielded a buy signal 20 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average suggested a buy signal 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 7 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Vertiv Holdings Company. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $94.54 and $82.56. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock could decline to the next support level. In this instance, Vertiv Holdings Company has support just below today's level at $94.54. Should this level be broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $82.56 and $81.78. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock moved $2.95 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 2.81%. For the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.65%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Vertiv Holdings Company, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 23rd of October, 2024. Analyst consensus estimates stand at 71 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Vertiv Holdings Company. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Vertiv Holdings Company encounters its first support level at $94.54. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Vertiv Holdings Company from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's explore some recent insider trades. On the 26th of September 2024, Ryan Paul executed an insider purchase of 254 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Poncherry Frank made an insider purchase of 304 shares of Class A common stock. Also on the 26th, Winther Karsten conducted an insider buy of 138 shares of Class A common stock. Gil Stephanie L. also participated on the 26th, buying 623 shares of Class A common stock. Lastly, on that date, Q Yibin Edward purchased 85 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 81.029. In total, insiders acquired 853,078 shares, while selling 7,939,178 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $103.83, reflecting a decline of 2.8%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 85, further amplifying this risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 43 days ago. Is Vertiv Holdings Company stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Vertiv Holdings Company stock to perform well in the short term. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 9th of October, we anticipate that Vertiv Holdings Company will open lower by approximately 14 cents and begin trading at $106.68. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. It is crucial not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day, with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.